Oh, well, in terms of the weather, what do you see out there for the rest of this afternoon, Kelly?
Yeah, we're starting to get that fog here lifting in Portland. You can still see a little bit of that above here. The skies are still a bit gray, still some haze out there. That fog should slowly work out as we head towards our 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock hour with blue skies ahead. So in Portland, I do still see a nice sunny finish to today. Already seeing that out towards Stoller Winery and for portions of the valley too. Same for up in the mountains. Take a look at Meadows. Blue skies up there since this morning. Meadows has been sitting well above the fog all morning long and will likely stay that way. Blue sky and bluebird skiing up there as we head into this week. Lincoln City also clear at this point. So we are getting that fog lifting, still getting some denser fog out towards Salem. So there are some pockets of stubborn fog. But again, that should start to push out as we head towards the afternoon. And blue skies for all heading into today. Already getting that out towards the coast where temperatures are also a bit warmer too, in the mid to upper 40s because we're getting some sunshine helping to warm things up. Still in the upper 30s now, so chilly out in Portland, but soon that fog should lift. Here's the satellite and radar. You can see that dense fog just sitting here in portions of the Central Valley. So as we head into our morning tomorrow, the areas that don't see too many winds will likely develop more fog. So we'll be tracking that foggy pattern to start this week with chilly temperatures likely staying near freezing as we head our way into our mornings. But here's our day planner for the rest of today. Mostly cloudy with a sunny finish here in Portland and for a good portion of the valley. Same goes for the coast. But by tonight, we'll actually ramp up some winds here as we head our way into our evening, and then overnight through Wednesday, we do have a wind advisory in place here for some breezy conditions. This is setting up due to high pressure really strengthening on the east sides of the gorge and the state, and that's really going to help funnel winds right through Portland again. We tend to see this pattern setting up as we head towards our colder months, so we're getting that tomorrow. We'll see some gusty conditions through Portland from the east. Again, the east side really getting a nice breeze there and a nice chill, even some wind chill factors in place tomorrow with those cold temperatures and breezy winds. So it's going to be a little chilly with a bite in the air tomorrow as those winds ramp up to maybe even 30+ miles per hour here in Portland, and the west end of the gorge will see some wind gusts possibly closer to 40 to 45 miles per hour. That's Gresham out to Troutdale and areas around there. So we'll be tracking a gusty day tomorrow in Portland. Even by this afternoon and evening, we could see some winds ramping up here. But again, it's mostly on Wednesday that we'll see those winds pushing on through here. You can see how gusty they may get, up to about 30 miles per hour here in Portland. Also staying dry this week too, so that big ridge of high pressure in place will block out any weather system. So we're expecting dry conditions at least through Saturday. Chance for some showers there on Sunday morning, but we'll watch that trend. We could be dry for the next 6 to 7 days here. Also, new weather podcast is out. If you're on the go, check out the forecast. Joseph Dames and I always chat and release a podcast on Monday. This week it was on Tuesday, but a new one is out right now. So go check it out on KOIN.com or any podcast platform. Here's your zone planner. Upper 40s today with sunshine by the afternoon. Here's your 7-day forecast. We'll be tracking windy conditions as we head into Wednesday.